In this short animation, I will show you how blood flows through the heart and body. Please note that this is done using a simplified diagram of the heart, lungs, and body. Our goal here is to understand the pathway that blood takes and not necessarily the exact anatomy of the structures involved or their mechanisms. Before we begin, let's go through what some of the colors you will see mean. Blue indicates oxygen-poor blood. Red indicates oxygen-rich blood. Purple indicates an exchange of gases. Green indicates a valve. And pink will indicate a contraction occurring. As we begin, you will see oxygen-poor blood traveling through the vena cavas into the right atrium of the heart. As the blood collects here, the atrium will contract, which opens the tricuspid valve and pushes the blood down into the right ventricle of the heart. As the blood collects in the right ventricle of the heart, that tricuspid valve snaps back shut to prevent the backflow of blood. The right ventricle now contracts, which opens the pulmonary valve, pushes the blood up through that valve, which snaps back shut to prevent the backflow of blood. The blood then travels to the lungs, where gas exchange occurs in the capillaries of the lungs, reoxygenating the blood. The oxygen-rich blood travels through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium of the heart. There, the atrium contracts, opening the mitral valve and pushing the blood into the left ventricle of the heart, the valve snapping back shut. The left ventricle of the heart contracts, opening the aortic valve, and the blood is pushed up into the aorta. The aorta valve will snap back shut. The oxygen-rich blood then travels throughout the body to the organs and tissues, where in the capillaries it undergoes a gas exchange again, picking up CO2 and dropping off oxygen. Then the deoxygenated blood travels through the veins back to the vena cavas and recollects in the right atrium of the heart. At this point, the cycle starts all over again, but it is important to note that this is a continuous cycle in your body, with both of the ventricles contracting nearly at the same time and the heart continuously pumping so that your body, your organs, and your tissues are always provided with the oxygen that they need.